Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using Creo parameter. While modeling this component, I will start with the left side, this sketch. Then I will extrude up to the length of 50. Then I will remove the material here. Then I will create this rib. Finally, I will remove a material of this one and this one. After doing these steps, we will get model like this. This is the final model of our model. Now we will learn how to create this model using Creo parameter. Just file, close, new, part solid, untick this use default template, provide a name, save OK. Now our dimension are in mm, choose the mm template, mm part solid absolute, save OK. Switch on all the planes. For easy drawing, I'm just going to keep like this. First, I'm taking with the front plane, sketch view. Now, I will start with the rectangle, take the corner rectangle, put like this. Here you can see the total height has to be calculated from here, 30 plus 20 plus 25 plus 10. So just add it like this, 30 plus 20 plus 25 plus 10. Like that we can put. The height is 85 and the width also we have to calculate. This is total is 65. From 65 just minus the 40, that is 25. Now we just want to put this rectangle, take this rectangle, don't constrain with anything, just draw like this. Here the height is 10, this height is 10 and the total length, as we know, 65. From here to here it is 65 and this thickness is 25. All the dimension I have specified now. Now just remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments, delete it here and delete it again. This is our final sketch. Just say OK. Just go to extrude, make it symmetric. The total extrusion length is, here you can see 10 plus 30 plus 10, that totally 50. Here also you can get the radius is 25, that means the diameter is 50. The extrusion length is 50, just say OK. Next, we just want to remove this material here. Select this mid plane, sketch view, go to reference, take those two as a reference, then close it. Take a rectangle, just put it like this. The total height we just want to remove is 30 and thickness is 10. This one is 10 and this one is 30. Just say OK. Extrude, symmetric, go to option, here to next and this also to next. Just say OK. Now we have created this cut. Then we'll create this rib. Select this mid plane, sketch view. Now just go to the reference, this line and this line, you take it as a reference, this line also, then close it. Take a line, connect it here and put it somewhere here. Here they have given dimension of 20. Go to dimension, from here to here it is 20. Just say OK. Cancel. So make sure you have selected the sketch, go to rib, profile rib, change the direction, the thickness is 10. Just say OK. Now we have created this. Now we'll go for doing the remove material of here. Select the surface, sketch view, take a reference of this edge and this edge, then close. Take a circle and the diameter of the circle is 30. Then we just take a line, connect this line, go to delete segments, delete it here, just say OK, extrude, change the direction to next, just say OK. Now here we have done. Then we have to do here, this one is the round, we can use it. Just take this round, select this surface and press the control key and hold it and select this surface and this surface. Now we got this round. Then just select the surface, sketch view. Here we just want to remove semicircle cut. Take this as a reference, then close it. Now take a circle. Now the radius of the circle is 15. Just go to the dimension. The radius is 15. Now just take a line, connect it like this. Go to delete segments, remove this one. Just say OK, extrude, change the direction, make it to next, material removal, say OK. Now the complete model is done. Just go to the hide all the plane and axis, standard orientation. In this way we have modeled it. To change the color, go to view, appearance, give some color, apply to the part, say OK. Like this we can apply any color. So in this tutorial we have learned how to model this component. If you find this video useful, please share to your friends, and next tutorial we will see with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.